We are Mount Kenya University, home of endless opportunities. And even now, amidst a pandemic that has seen institutions closed down, we strive to stand by our word to provide world-class education, research, and innovation for individual transformation and sustainable global development. By ensuring our institutions are ready for our learners, taking keen precautions according to government directives, washing hands, wearing masks, and maintaining social distance the new normal, so that together we fight the spread of the novel coronavirus. From the beginning, Mount Kenya University has sought to ensure quality education.
Mount Kenya University was certified by the Kenya Bureau of Standards through the ISO 9001 2008. I think it was December 2012. That is like getting a driving license. That you are now good, you can drive. So once you have that ISO certification, it really is a reference point for quality training. And as I said earlier, we also made sure that we have the necessary academic resources, the infrastructure, the human resource, policies that govern operations, administrative units that support the operations. And there's been always a very good relationship between the management board and the university council.
And now, with the new normal that sees us outside class, we have ensured that our learners' curriculum remain uninterrupted with the use of online classes, which are more student-centered and in a self-paced format to encourage students to take responsibility of their own learning while leveraging on technology, not to stop teaching and learning even during COVID-19 pandemic. The e-learning platforms, previously only used by distant learners, have proved to have many benefits for our learners. Now content can be accessed from anywhere and at any given time, and students have attested to saving both time and money.
When we were at home, we were using a combination of the student online e-learning platform as well as Teams. So Teams was beneficial because it was one-on-one, like you'd have a video lecture. So it was easy because all of us are there, we listen to each other, it's real time. So even if you have a question, you don't have to type it on the chat section of the e-learning platform and then wait until your lecturer gets on to respond to you. This was happening real time.
Now, with lectures being televised on TV 47 and uploads done on YouTube for referencing purposes.
Technology has revolutionized the world, and the youth majorly are very interested in technology. So by introducing e-learning to our students, they have appreciated, many of them have, because they can learn anywhere, anytime, and at their own convenience. And I think that is a good thing. Our students are involved with the instructors, who are the lecturers. There is collaborative learning. They can access resources online anytime, from anywhere across the world, because we do not have just students in Kenya. We have students across the world in more than 26 countries. That was as per the time when COVID struck.
The programs are supported by an elaborate ICT infrastructure that matches global standards, hence ensuring seamless teaching and learning. This includes student support services such as orientation, course support services from all the schools and departments, administrative support, e-learning study materials, student assessment and feedback, among others.
What I would want to confirm is that our e-learning have met the minimum requirement in terms of compliance, and therefore we've met the quality. We started online teaching earlier, like 7 years ago. So we have had that platform, the one we use for online, for a while now, and this system allows for a lot to happen. First, it allows for the student to access learning materials. Then it also allows for the lecturer to go in and interact with the student through the chat rooms. The students are also able to post their cards there and even to discuss among themselves using the platform. But when COVID came, we actually even beefed up that system because we were able to bring in other softwares like Teams, which we have been using. So through Teams, students have been attending their classrooms, their lectures, just like they used to attend when it's face-to-face. So we have a timetable where which students are supposed to use. So they are expected to log in to the Teams, and the lecturer gives their lectures in there. So we have been able to improve that by making sure that there is a teaching that mimic almost the face-to-face. The student can ask questions, they can get feedback, and then we are also able to make sure that through the Directorate of Teaching program, we monitor what goes in there. So we are able to tell that a lecturer logged in and what they did, whether they gave a lecture, how long was it. We are able to tell that the student attended, and we are also able to tell whether the student submitted their assignment on times and all that. So I can assure you that what we are doing is of high quality, and it has met the minimum standard to ensure that learning takes place.
Also, students and lecturers interact through the university virtual learning management system, which is integrated with anti-plagiarism software and provides statistics on online class attendance. Hence, the lecturers use the data to support and follow up on students. The university has also partnered with Microsoft as part of education transformation to promote online education. We ensure quality education through constant evaluation of our lecturers by students, where results are shared to the said schools and departments respectively.
Once our students were told to go home, and of course one of the directives from the government was to ensure that there is physical distancing and people are able to work online. And in keeping with the theme of this graduation ceremony, which is embracing technology, and we were able to ensure that we move very fast. We prepared the necessary guidelines that support activities for postgraduate students to be done online, and these guidelines were approved by the University Council, and therefore our students were able to continue with their education. They have been doing presentations online, they have been doing even some examinations online, and this has ensured the continuity for our postgraduate programs.
And now, Mount Kenya University celebrates the class of 2020, its first ever virtual graduation, ensuring that our students' curriculum is uninterrupted. We pride ourselves as a top acclaimed private university that churns out employable students as highlighted by the Employability CPF Survey 2020, and were awarded University Award of Civic Engagement in our project that will ensure provision of safe water to children in this time of crisis. Mount Kenya University has also ranked top 10 in research funding on a project that seeks to ensure safe maternal care. The coronavirus brought with it many challenges, one being shortage of essential commodities like sanitizers. Hence, as a leading institute of research and innovation, we, Mount Kenya University, produce sanitizers as we sought to curb the shortage of the commodity. More so, we continue to support our community through this tough COVID period through donations. We promise to stand with students through these tough times to ensure classes are ongoing while offering quality education in all our branches countrywide. Welcome to Mount Kenya University, home of endless opportunities.